Hello kids, welcome to Fairy Tale Drawing. Hello, little artists. Today, we're going to draw a happy and beautiful house with greenery, tree and lawn. Are you ready? Great, let's draw a roof window for our house. Now draw a curtain for window. Let's draw a house roof. Next we will draw a porch. Let's draw a big window on the left side of house. And draw one window at the front of the house. Now draw one door for the house. Let's give compound for our house. Now we will draw strays for it. It's time to draw a tree. This is an apple tree. And now we'll draw 5 apples on it. Let's give wooden compound for our house. Small trees with flowers. Same small trees at the left side of house. And draw small flowers. Let's give wooden compound for our house, at the left side of the house. one more small tree attached to the house. With one flower. After, draw one chimney on the top of the house. And don't forget to draw a shining sun in the sky. Now it's color time. First we will fill yellow color in sun. Look kids, the sun is shining. And filled color in roof. I am using orange color in roof. You can use any color in your house, as you like. And yellow color in roof window house. I am using blue color in glass. The curtain is in pink color. And I am using yellow color at the bottom of the house. Window glasses are in blue color. I am using light green color in porch. And house door is in dark green color. Let's color house chimney. I am using rose red in chimney. Now it's time to fill color in all scenery trees. Red color in apple. You can use any color in flower. I am using pink color in flower. Let's color compound glasses. Let's use blue color. Now remains the wooden color. We will use brown color in tree wood and house compound. Look kids, we have completed our drawing very easy and quickly. Do you like liked today's drawing, do more practice and learn new things with me. See you in the next video. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.